In this video, I will show you how to make the first part of this standing female model. So first of all, I am rolling the shape for the legs. So I want this slightly tapered at the bottom and a little bit thicker at the top. Now cutting it down the centre, leaving a section free at the top, and then just softening the legs, shaping them by rolling them between my hands, and then I'll just keep adjusting the length as I soften and shape each leg. Using the Dresden tool, I'm just going to add some shape. So I want to form her bottom. So by pressing in some grooves at the top of the legs and then just smoothing the area out and then continuing to shape the leg. To enable this model to stand up, I am using lolly sticks to add some support. Once the lolly sticks are in place, I'm just going to soften and shape those legs again. I've left a small amount of stick visible at the bottom here. This is to allow me to stand it in the dummy as I work on it. For real cake, possibly use longer sticks, maybe skewers, just to enable it to be inserted into the cake and to keep it in place. Now for the body, I'm modelling a torso shape, so it's slimmer at the waist, a bit wider at the shoulders, and then gently forming the neck from the top. So just checking that it's going to be a good size for the body and in good proportion before I move on. And then using the Dresden tool to shape out the chest area. So using the tool to make deep impressions, but then using my finger just to soften everything out. So I'll now gently tease this over the lolly sticks, making sure that I don't distort the shape. And it's now ready to be blended to the legs. To blend the body and legs together, I'm just using a little bit of water and the Dresden tool just to neatly smooth and blend those joints together. Now just using my fingers, I'm just going to smooth over that area a little bit more, just to get it as smooth as I possibly can. I'll check over the whole body now, just add a little bit more definition where I need it until I'm happy with the final result. So I'm using half a lolly stick just to insert into the neck and down into the body. This will ensure that the whole body is supported when it's completed. So I'm now going to make some clothing for the model. I've coloured some paste with Aztec colour, so that's sugar flower colour. And I'm going to roll out the paste so it's really nice and thin. This will reduce the amount of extra thickness that I will add to the legs. So I want to create a pair of jeans for this model. I'm applying water to the top and then to the sides of the legs, and I'm leaving the front of the legs dry. So as I add this paste now, I just want it to stick firmly to the top and the sides. So as you can see, I'm doing the front sections of the denim jeans, and then I will do the back sections later. I'm creating a nice neat seam to the side of the legs here, and then I'll just take away that excess paste. With some thin tipped scissors, I'm just creating some ripped holes into the jeans, and then I'll just rough those up a little bit with the scissors also. I'm covering the back of the legs now, and I'm just going to make sure that I have a really nice neat finish at the sides, and that inside the legs that it joins up with the paste on the front. Just reinforcing this definition to the top of the legs, and adding some definition to the back of the knees. And then with the sharp end of the Dresden, I'm just going to add in some creases in various places. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of this tutorial. In part 2, I'm going to show you how to finish off the body. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, where you can find other videos like this.